Mahindra holds great importance in the commercial vehicle segment in India. The company has now launched the new Supro Profit Excel truck. Mahindra first launched Supro in 2015. According to the report, more than 2 lakhs units have been sold so far. Supro Excel is offered with two powertrain options, with the diesel variant priced at 6.62 lakh rupees, ex-showroom, and the CNG variant priced at 6.94 lakh rupees, ex-showroom. The new truck is built on the new Supro platform. Mahindra claims that the new Supro trucks have been introduced with more economical, powerful and higher payload capacity than before. This truck is capable of giving more mileage than before. This will also increase the savings of the driver. The company claims that the mileage of the diesel variant of the new truck will be 23.61 km per liter, whereas the mileage of CNG Duo will be 24.88 km per kg and maximum range will be 500 km. This is a dual-fuel vehicle of the company. This commercial vehicle can be started with petrol and CNG as well as directly with CNG. The diesel variant of the Supro Excel has a maximum payload capacity of up to 900 kg, while the CNG Duo has a capacity of 750 kg. The deck length has also been increased to 8.2 feet in the new model. On the launch of Supro Excel, Mahindra's Automotive Technology and Product Development Chairman R. Velusamy has given detailed information about the technical capabilities of Supro Profit Truck Excel. He said that Supro Profit Truck Excel built on Supro platform is a great example of Mahindra's excellent technology and strong capability. It has a strong chassis with a modern 5-speed transmission. The strengthened chassis of the new Supro Profit Excel truck increases its rigidity by 19%. Keeping in mind the safety standards, a new anti-roll bar suspension has been installed in it. It is also equipped with many features like air conditioning and power steering, which makes it far more comfortable and easier to